bands. Pose for the pose for the for the pose pose for the fans. Pose for the bands.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jenica Glyza M. Itang, but you can call me Jen or Glyza for short. I'm 15 years old and I live in Barangay Colosuba, Coyapo, Nueva Ecija. We are 7 siblings, 4 girls and 3 boys. My hobbies are dancing, playing badminton, volleyball with my friends. My favorite color is pink and black. I really love and I enjoy spending my time with my family and my friends. I have so many friends and I love them all so much. And I have one cat. Her name is Bella. My favorite food is adobo and my favorite drink is Coke. My current anthem is Anything by Jenny Kim and TJ Monterde. I want to finish my studies for my family to repay their struggles and sacrifice. I have one favorite cousin. Her name is Alea Kate. My sisters and I are very close, but like any siblings, we have our disagreements and end up fighting. My goal in life is to finish my studies and help my parents, and my dream is to become a good teacher. And my motto in life is do what you love what you do.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is JR Carganello. I'm 17 years old from Barangay Simimbaan, Coyapo, Nueva Ecija. Date of birth September 8, 2008. Place of birth Barangay Simimbaan, Coyapo, Nueva Ecija. My mother's name Beatrice Carganello. Housekeeping. My father's name Erwin Carganello, construction worker, mason. Siblings Jamel Carganello and Januel Carganello. My mother's and father's contact number 0946 136 2844. Religion Catholic. City Tagalog. My favorite dessert buko salad. My favorite drink Coke. My favorite drink milk tea. My hobbies is dancing and cooking. My dreams in life become to get sick and family to me for finish my study. My favorite song Palagi, Alipin, Sagip, Multo, DJ Monterde, and Parokya na Edgar. My motto in life, huwag mo silang pakinggan kasi ano bang alam nila. Current school sa Lagusog National High School. My favorite subject, Filipino, English, edukasyon sa pagpakatao, Orgman. I'm determined to study hard for my parents and my future. Even I'm struggling, I push through because my dad so hard for us. No matter how third us gets, you're determined to continue study hard, not just for yourself but your parents, and that's really commendable. Your motivation make them too proud. Yes, determining, forcing, and for you. Even though you did make to the honor less, you definitely made presence to felt through those events.
Good day everyone. My name is Prince Charles Garashamangay. I'm from Barangay Broadway Hills, Quezon City. But now, I'm from Barangay Maganay. Puerto Nueva Ecija. I'm 16 years old, turning 17 in November 8, 2025. And I came from the school called Balasan Hills National High School, but now from Salagosog National High School. I want to ride my bike and motorcycle, and my favorite day is Saturday and Sunday. My favorite coach is Ma'am Andrea Pulido, my PT coach and super supportive coach. My favorite math teacher is Ma'am Judy Ann. Ma'am Judy Ann, my first professor in Salagosog National High School. And I'm happy to move here. I'm happy to meet you all. My favorite game is billiards and basketball. I'm not good at these games, but I still have fun playing these games. And also have many things I don't like. Thank you.